extension. The frequency will range from 200 Hz to 10 Hz. A good headphone can go as low as 20 Hz. Second test, treble extension. Good headphones can produce sound up to 20,000 Hz. Third test, checking balance in sound. Check input of sound in center, left and right as per instruction. Now let us check the quality of your headphone through a 8D music. Check how your headphones produce sound in 8D music. You will feel like the music is revolving around your head. Now let us check your headphone with complete audible frequency range. Note when you start to hear the sound. Hope you have an amazing headphone. Comment how your headphones performed overall and which headphones are you using. Like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Hope you have musical days ahead.